Hello and welcome to the channel. I'll be unboxing the Neewer CM20 USB condenser, microphone, and do the quick setup. The CM20 specifications details are here on the screen and also in the description below. The contents of this kit includes the user manual, pop filter, one-piece CM20 condenser microphone, foam windscreen, one USB-C to USB cable, boom arm clamps, shock mount, cable Velcro straps, about 5 of them, boom arm stand, and 3/8 of an inch to 5/8 of an inch screw adapter, it's a plug and play, and it's a quick install setup. Push the clamps until it clicks. Insert the boom arm clamp. On the bottom of the clamp, there's a hook where you can hang the headphones. I recorded the unboxing video, then I pre-recorded my voice after the unboxing using the CM20, and finally combined the audio and video during my editing. By doing that, I was able to do the unboxing and the CM20 voice recording review at the same time. And with the click of the volume button, the LED light turns red, which means it is in mute. It's recording or it's live when it's a blue LED light. When I installed the windscreen foam, I lifted a little bit on the bottom so I can see the light. That way, I can tell if it's live or in mute mode.